we're going to look at converting within the household system, and we're going to be using dimensional analysis. Some things that you need to remember are conversion factors. A conversion factor just means that this equals that. So in other words, 1 tablespoon is equal to 3 teaspoons. That's a conversion factor. 1 ounce is equal to 2 tablespoons. 1 cup is equal to 8 ounces. 1 pint is equal to 16 ounces, which is equal to 2 cups. 1 quart is equal to 2 pints, or 32 ounces, or 4 cups, depending on what you need. When we look at our practice problem, we're asked to convert a half a cup into ounces. So we need to find a conversion factor that is related to both cups and ounces. So right here, we are told that 1 cup is equal to 8 ounces. So that's the piece of information we're going to use. When you are setting up a dimensional analysis equation, you do need to start by putting the label of what you are looking for on the left side of the equation. So we are looking for ounces because we're converting 1/2 of a cup into ounces. So that's the first thing we're going to write is ounce. Now our first fraction needs to have ounce in the numerator in the top part of the fraction. So with our conversion factor right here, we know that 8 ounces is equal to 1 cup. So that's our first fraction. Our next fraction needs to have cup in the numerator in the top part of the fraction because it's in the denominator or the bottom part of the fraction on this side. So we know we are asking to convert 1/2 of a cup to ounces. Now I don't necessarily want to use a fraction within a fraction, so let's go ahead and convert that fraction to a decimal. You have 1/2. You take the 1, you put that in the calculator, you hit the divide by button, you hit the 2 button, and that equals 0.5. 1/2 is equal to 0.5. Think about it like change. Half of a dollar is 50 cents. So we're going to put 0.5 cups up here. And then we don't have any other information, so we're just going to put a 1 in the denominator in the bottom part of the fraction just to keep everything in place. When you're doing dimensional analysis, remember to double check that you've set it up correctly. You do want to cross out the repeating labels. So I have a cup here and I have a cup there, so they're going to cancel out. What I'm left with is ounce, which is perfect because that's what I need. So I have everything set up correctly. Multiply across the tops and then multiply across the bottoms. 8 times 0.5 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 divided by 1 is 4. So our answer is going to be 4, and we get our label right here where we started, ounces.